Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings on your phone, then the notification section. Then find the phone settings. Then you can see under the sounds must be select the haptics. Okay, then again go to the settings and find the sounds and haptics option. Then you can silent your phone by clicking in this suggestion, and my phone is should silent from there toggle off. You can see my phone is now silent. Now when you get a call, your iPhone will vibrate in even every silent mode. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.